Last question. When you banging out, lights on, lights off.
He panicking. He panicking with the
to ask.
Both, like, I don't care, like, if we getting it on, like, lights on. If the lights is off, I'm not hitting it. I'm scared. Like, I don't know what you telling me lights off for, but telling me lights on, I can see what's going on. Like, feel me? You telling me lights off, I might just walk out the room saying, yo, I gotta go bust a sale or something. I'm out of here.
There you go. You heard it here first.
And you know what's going
What's
on.
your name? What's your sign?
My name JB. My real name Jacob. I'm a Virgo.
Okay.
Shout out, feel me? Everybody on my block, Bedford Park. Feel me? I ain't gonna say no name.
Big
Feel me?
BX.
Big BX. Feel me? You know that. I'm on IG at only._J. Feel me? I do music, all that.
Talk that talk.
Soon, feel me? Out the block, I do Detroit, Slizzy, love music, everything, R&B, drill, whatever y'all want, I got it for y'all. You're tap in.
You heard it here first, man. Let's get it. Signs of love.
Signs of love.
Acting like you're too good